Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. With today, I have my subscription from the Makeup Institute of LA. And this is a brush set. So if you're interested in seeing what types of brushes I received this month, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, today I do have my set of brushes, but unfortunately, this is going to be my last month. This is my last subscription. I've been going month by month because I knew there's gonna come a point where I'm gonna stop ordering brushes because, yeah, I have a lot of brushes. So this is it. So I'm really excited to see what my last set of brushes are. I hope they're nice, but before we go there, let's just do our Power Thought cards, which is our affirmation for the day. So let's see what we have in store. You know, all these cards kind of like similar, I just noticed, you know. So let's see. Oh, nice and bright. Ta-da! Whoop. Yeah, there it is. And it says, I release all criticism. That's a really good one. I release all criticism. And you know, I like it in that you can speak about yourself. I mean, because I self-criticize myself all the time. And I always said, you know, I mean, nobody else can be as hard on me as I am on myself when I don't do well or when I make a mistake. I mean, everybody else is forgiving me except for me. And I mean, it bugs me and it just like eats at me. So it's really important that I do release self-criticism because that could actually be very detrimental, leading to other things like anxiety. And I know when I don't release self-criticism because I start becoming anxious and I get that, you know, and I get hoppy here and there. And so it's really important. And also to release criticism for others. Sometimes, I mean, there are people out there that do something that just gets under your skin no matter what. And sometimes you just can't put your finger on it, but they just get under your skin just by just showing up, right? And so there's something there. You just don't know what it is. Okay, and it might be something inside you giving you a red flag. It could be anything, or it could be just that you're having a bad day, right? But it's really important to release all criticism because at the end, it only hurts you, you know? So you really have to think about it. And when you feel that way about other people or yourself, you don't feel good. You're not at your best. And mentally, it is not healthy. So I constantly work on things like this where, you know, if I feel self-criticizing, I didn't do that good. Oh, you know, I should have done it different. I should have done it this way. So I said, stop, stop, stop. And I try to catch myself. And, you know, so it is what it is. But, I mean, we're human, so it's going to happen. But we just need to learn not to do that. And if we do, recover from it quickly. But there is something in the back that I'm going to read to you. This card, I forget sometimes which one has things in the back. It says, I only give out that which I wish to receive and return. My love and acceptance of others is mirrored in me every moment. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is talking about other people. But like I said, usually it's not so much that I I don't have like criticism towards people. Not very often. If I see something, you know, one person doing something wrong to another, that's about the only time. But usually it's for me, it's myself. So it works anyway, right? So yeah, good card. So okie dokie, that's that. That's that. Okay, now we have this thing here. It says fragile. It's Italian for fragile. I make that up. Actually, it's from a movie, The Christmas Story. I think I told you guys that before. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, this is usually really hard to open. It's not too bad this time. I wonder why. But these are actually very nice, what do you call it? Envelopes. I saved these for remailing. So it looks like it's supposed to have a makeup product with it. But no, it's okay because I like beauty tools too. But this is what it looks like. Usually they come a little bit more in a, no, I don't know, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. And maybe this is like a travel size, which I do appreciate because actually I don't have like a whole lot of travel size ones, and I like shorter brushes because especially I use a magnifying 10 times type of mirror, and when I get close, a long brushes actually hits it. So, okay, here it is. Wow, there's a lot of brushes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes. Nice. Okay, let's see what it feels like. I'm going to go ahead and pull out this one a little bit. Wow, you know, that's one thing about their brushes. They are very soft, and I have no complaints. And I really like this color. I like the angle at the bottom here, too. And, you know, this is different because usually it says Makeup Institute. I don't know if they're getting like, I don't know, does it say? Oh, yeah, it's got a little like very faint in the plastic. It says MI right there. But that's, can you see that? It says MI right there. I'm sorry if you can't. These lights, I'm trying to get it right. I don't know. So, okay, here's the biggest one. Ooh, this is nice, actually. Wow, okay. This, you know, this bristle here, these bristles by this company is always pretty good. And I've not had any complaints. I haven't really had an opportunity to use a lot of them. I think I used one set. And I'm kind of saving these, you know, for the future. Because I'm probably going to end up putting them in a giveaway. This one maybe not because it's short, but I do have a whole, like a container full of the other ones that are long. And so, yeah. And here's another one here. This looks like maybe an, okay, yeah, a slightly angled brush and still very soft. You see that? Okay, so there's 2 face brushes and 6 eye brushes, which is okay. I do enjoy face brushes though, but I think in the beginning of my subscription, I was getting all face brushes, so I think that kind of evens out. And again, I'm not going to go through opening each one of these, I don't think, but I'll go ahead and give you a look. But there is every shape you can imagine that you would need to create an eye look. Take a look here. Okay. Huh. Yep, very nice. And let's see on this one. I don't think I've pushed this one. Okay, yeah, this is very nice. This is a very large flat brush for eyes, you know, large for eyes, I mean, and it's very soft. All of the bristles seem really similar in that. So I'm going to go ahead and save these. I don't want to open them all up because, I don't know, maybe I will keep it, maybe I won't. You know, I never know until the time comes. Okay, and I will go ahead and put all of this, oops, I almost dropped it, back into the bag until I can get it into my container because I actually ran out of room in my container. So I have like all these other brushes that I've gotten that's like sitting right here on my counter. So I got to find a place for it. I don't need any more stuff, guys. As much as I'm packing, I'm not getting done. So yeah. And I have very few days. And so the other extra item that you're supposed to get is a makeup item. That's what they usually tell you. But we've been seeing a lot of tools lately. And this time it's that. It's one little sponge. It's kind of funny. I got to laugh about it because I'm like, yeah, really? Last time it was eyelashes. Then the time before that was those tiny little, you know, miniature things. But this is, you know what? I don't have anything shaped like this. This is actually pretty interesting. I don't mind this. Yeah, this has got like a pyramid type of shape to it. I'm hoping that this camera is focusing because it seems really light and somehow I hit the camera and I've been trying to get the focus and everything back in line, but yeah, I'm struggling here. So yeah, that's that. So what did I get for my Makeup Institute of LA? I got these great set of brushes, which I am not sad about, and this cute little, oh my goodness, it's so cute, sponge here, which I'm sure will be useful, especially to get into those tight corners, right? So yeah. Okay, that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. And like I said, this was my last subscription. And if I decide to go ahead and reorder, I will go ahead and do that. But I've been actually canceling several subscriptions. So since I'm moving, I'm just afraid some of this is going to get lost. I'm just hoping that my FabFitFun reaches because I did change my address already because it hasn't shipped. But they say it takes up to 30 days. And so that's like in the middle. And if it comes any earlier, it's going to go to the new address way too early. So we'll see, right? I know some of you had commented down below on my other video that, oh, good luck with that. It's a mess. So hopefully not. And I do have a couple of things that I know get shipped from work, and I already changed my address at work, and I'm like, well, why now? You guys haven't shipped anything to me for 2 years. Why are you shipping me stuff now? So who knows? You know, I guess the moon, sun, the clouds, everything lined up with the stars, and boom, we're gonna ship you stuff just because you're moving. So but it's okay. I gotta laugh about it because you know what? It is what it is. What? That's a small stuff, right? I'm not gonna sweat it. But I just don't want the you know, the people that's moving out to think, whoa, what is this? So I actually had to reach out and say, hey, you might get my package. Please just put it somewhere and let me know, or I can come and get it out of your way, whatever. But yeah. So anyhow, this will be a challenge. This will be kind of fun. And I do plan on videoing when I go and first, before furniture goes in, hopefully I can do that for you guys and kind of walk through the house to show you, because it is 3 levels. Actually, 3 levels above ground, and I have 1 level below, which is the garage. And so I want to be able to walk through without furniture and boxes and everything to give you an idea of what the place looks like. And so I will go ahead and do that. And also, what else did I want to tell you about? Oh, I did get permission from California Movers. It's a professional moving company. Actually, they were rated #1 and all of the ratings, and they have like 5 stars out of like 20-something thousand reviews. So I hired them, and I called them and I said, hey, can I, I'm a content creator for YouTube. Do you have any issues with me videoing the move? They're like, oh, no problem at all. Yeah, go ahead. And I did say, I will go ahead and edit out the guy's face or whatever. I won't video them. Oh, I don't think they'll mind. Just ask them, and then, whatever. But, if I decide to do that, I'll have to have them sign a release. So, yeah, we'll see. But, yep. So I was like, really? I can really record you guys? That's good sign. You know what I mean? Because if they drop something, it's on video. So, anyway. Anyhow, so my beautiful wildflowers, let me not keep you any longer. But I just want to say, if you enjoy this content, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do consider subscribing. Okay? And also, I think today's video should have the winner of the Ipsy Glam bag, right? So, yeah, it should. And I will go ahead and attach that at the end, and you will see the winner, okay? And then I'll just hop back on and say congratulations. I need to do that. Okay, so here is the winner of the Ipsy Glam bag from the Friday video, okay? And that was a surprise one, so here it is. Enjoy. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are. And we are going to go ahead and pick the winner. But unfortunately, as you notice, I have the link already picked, the filter for duplicate users and filter comments with the word COVID. The reason why it's already done, and I know that there are 15 responses because the first choice, the first pick, was not publicly subscribed to me. And so I'm going to move over here, and this is what you can, I'm doing this so that way you don't see who was chosen, because I don't want them to feel bad, but I'm going to go ahead and pick another winner, because like I said, the initial person was not public. I know they're subscribed to me. I know they are. They have to be, but instead, Jennifer. Okay, Jennifer, let's see if you're publicly subscribed to me. And let's take a look, because you guys, I showed this piece of it, and I really thought about maybe reaching out to the person, but it really wouldn't be fair. This is why I always ask you guys, please look for subscription. Make sure that you are subscribed to me. In that case, the person wasn't. And so I'm going to ask you again here, look and see if you're public. In this case, the person was not public, and so I could not see, which means it doesn't also give me the little red folder and the comments, whereas my secondary check. And so, yeah, it goes that way. But Jennifer, you just need to show me. Oh, wait, here I am. Yep, and you are the official winner, Jennifer. And like I said, please, everybody, take a look at your things. And yeah. So, okay, Jennifer, as usual, please do reach out to me via email. And that is at the details tab and all the way to the bottom, or you can reach out to me on Instagram, Haute.modesty. I think we're already friends, so go ahead and send me your address and I'll get the goodies out to you. Now back to regular programming. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, congratulations to the winner. And unfortunately, I can't say your name here because I'm pre-recording this piece, but congratulations anyway. And I would have mentioned your name in the actual clip. And so please do reach out to me and give me your address, your name and your address. And you can do that by emailing me, and my email address is at the very bottom of my details. So all you have to do is scroll all the way down. I made it easy so you don't have to hunt for it. Or you can reach out to me on Instagram and DM me. It's Haute.modesty, MODESTY, and just private message me and I'll accept you, and then you can send me your address. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I'm gonna do this part again. So I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend whenever you're watching this. It doesn't matter. Just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.